Happy Sabbath, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is Justice Meets Grace, the story of the Gibeonites. Imagine this. You've been deceived. You trusted someone who lied straight to your face. What would you do? And that's exactly what Joshua's dilemma in Joshua 9:21-27 was. See, the Gibeonites, they tricked Israel into a peace treaty by pretending to come from a far land. When the truth came out, the people wanted revenge. However, see, Joshua did something extraordinary. He chose to honor his word and still uphold justice. You see, Joshua said, "You are cursed, but you will serve as woodcutters and water carriers to the house of my God." You see, number one is justice. They faced consequences for their deception. And grace, they were not destroyed, but given a place near God's sanctuary. You see, Joshua's decision revealed the very heart of God, a perfect blend of truth and mercy. You see, justice demands accountability, but grace offered a second chance. And the second chance changed everything. You see, the Gibeonites went from deceivers to worshippers, from enemies to servants in God's house. You see, Ellen White writes, though this association, many of them were to renounce idolatry and to worship the God of heaven. Patriarchs and Prophets, page 507 and 508. Friends, that's the gospel right there. You see, we too have deceived, we have fallen, and we have failed. Yet, God doesn't destroy us. He redeems us. He turns our punishment into purpose, our failure into faith. So today, when you are tempted to choose between justice and mercy, remember Joshua's example. In Christ, the cross unites both. Justice was satisfied and grace was offered. And that's the beauty of God's kingdom. Where justice meets grace, redemption begins. God bless.